Hola! In today's video, we are going to learn the palo of Seguirilla, how to hear the compás, how to play palmas to it. And if you want more dancing with me, I invite you to check out all the other videos on my YouTube channel, as well as the free resources in the description below, as well as a free 10-day trial to my Online Flamenco Studio, where there are over 80 courses for new beginners through advanced dancers. But let's begin our seguirillas. All right, so seguirilla is, I guess you can call it a 12 count, although it's not counted that way. Some people have called it a backwards bulería as well. But basically it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold on. If you were to count it out in a 12 count, it would be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. However, flamencos don't count it out that way. We count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the cool thing about seguirilla is that you can kind of repeat that melody that I was just saying. Da, 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 and that should keep you in line. So again, ba, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's play some solo compás so you can kind of hear it with the drum machine first, and then we'll play the guitar. Okay, here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also go bum, 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 bakam, bum, bakam, bum, 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 bakam, bum, bakam, bum, 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 bakam, bum, bakam, bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. Now let's listen to it with the guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And bam, 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 takan, tan, takan, tan, bam, 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 ba, bam, bam, ba, ba, dam. 1, 2, 3, takan, tan, takan, tan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bum, ba, da, da, da. Bum, 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 ba. Now syncopated ba, da, ba, bakam, ba, bakam, ba, taka, ta, taka, ta, taka, ta, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, taka, ta, taka, ta, taka, ta, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. Now let's go even faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Takata, 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 ba bum bum, ba bum bum, takata, 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 ba bum bum, ba bum ba, takata. So that was a little taste of Seguirilla. So remember, it's technically a 12 count, but it's counted in fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want more help, more structure in learning flamenco, I invite you to join me inside the Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership for dancers from brand new beginners all the way through advanced levels. And I really focus on speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco. And there are over 80 courses in choreography, technique, and flamenco theory. There are monthly challenges, monthly workouts, a vibrant community of dancers from all over the world, and we also meet online for live practice sessions and live trainings as well. So be sure to follow the link to get your 10-day trial. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.